Monody on a tea-kettle by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. A Muse was sangest late in our Spain, to Greece domestic turn the coal-black steed. Of slowest steps the funeral state must go, nodding his head in all the pomp of woe. White scatter round each dark and deadly weed, and let the melancholy dirge complain, what bat shall shriek and dog shall howling run, the tea-kettle is spoilt and Coleridge is undone. Your cheerful songs, ye unseen cricket's keys, let songs of grief the altered minds engage. For you sing, responsive to your lay, what time the joyous bubbles 'gan to play. The sooty swain has felt the fire's fierce rage. Yes, he's gone, and all my woes increase. At the water issuing from the wound, no more the tea shall pour its fragrant steams around. O goddess, best beloved, delightful tea, thee compared what yields the maddening wine. Sweet power, who knows to spread the calm delight, the pure joy prolong to midmost night. Must I all thy riot sweets resign, and folded close in grief before my sea, no more wilt woe extend thy willing arms, receive a fervent Jove, and yield him all thy charms. Or sink the mighty low by fate oppressed, perhaps, O kettle, or by scornful toe, rude, urged, ignoble place with plaintive din, mayst rust obscure midst heaps of vulgar tin, as if no joy had ever ceased my breast, and from thy spot the streams did arching fly, as if, infused, I hadst known to inspire the warm raptures of poetic fire. But hark! Oh, do I fancy the glad voice, what thou the swain that wondrous charms disclose? Not such did men insist as sable dressed, take these bright arms of royal face impressed. A better kettle shall thy soul rejoice, if oblivion's wings o'erspread thy woes. As fair hope can sift stress and toil, on empty trivets she bids fancied kettles boil.